What's up, y'all? It's Mo. Welcome back to another trading session. This time I'm actually recording my TradingView chart. Thank God. So this should be a lot better, a lot less like confusing and stuff. You'll be able to see my analysis like live and stuff on the chart. Obviously, I'm recording. I'll show like my trading platform and stuff. I like move over and stuff when I'm like entering a trade and everything. So, but yeah. So here it is already 9:30. Market already opened. Actually, curious to see news today. Okay, so we had 8:15 news. Trump speaks. It PM, so it doesn't really matter. Okay, so yeah, we had news already at 8:15. So a couple yellow folders at 10, but obviously they don't really matter. So looking, here we were in this daily for value gap, and you see we respected it. So I can expect, honestly, today I'm expecting just to sell down. We got that rebalance into this fair value gap, exactly what we wanted to see. And now it looks like we're getting that sell down. So let's look to see. Keep doing some top-down analysis. 4 hour, we have this 4 hour for value gap opening up. Obviously the 4 hour candle just opened, so kind of gotta see where that closes. 1 hour, so overnight we just been selling down. We're probably gonna aim for this liquidity level right there, so I'll mark that up. This will be a draw, definitely. The sell side level. I'll mark this up to the sell side level over here. Boom. Okay, perfect. 15-minute. Let me put 8:30 on here. 8:30, 12. Cool. Okay, so looks like, yeah, like I said, I feel like this will be the draw, the sell side level down here. So definitely want to see maybe like an internal manipulation higher. So let's go in the lower time frames here. So yeah, maybe some, manipulation higher, taking out these highs, and then we start getting that sell model back down. That'd be something I'm looking for sure. But we're not gonna force it. Obviously, if there is a buy model today, for some reason, if we do wanna, let's see, rebalance to some of these gaps, and then like fill some of these and then keep selling, that works too. So yeah, just gotta, be patient. Not gonna force anything. That's the number one thing, is patience for me. When I, like I was saying yesterday, when I win, it's because I'm patient. If I lose, it's because I'm impatient. So I just gotta stay patient. We know the times my model forms. It can form at any time. Mostly the best setups are between 9:50 when the macro starts to all the way to 11 o'clock. So yeah, just gonna stay patient. Let price build. Let market structure be clear. When it's clear and obvious, then, and if there's my model, then we'll enter, obviously. But yeah, just gonna see how it goes. And yeah, should be a good trading session. Yesterday was crazy. First trading session on camera. That was actually insane. Like how good that went. I did not. That was insane. That was hype as fuck. So, oh yeah. Also, I'm gonna try to watch my mouth too, because my mom and dad be watching these videos. So, kind of gotta not be cussing as much. Not gonna lie, I do be cussing a lot. So, sorry, mom and dad. Love y'all. But all right, let's yeah, see what's happening, man. Let's see what's happening. I just woke up like 20 minutes ago. Usually I wake up like an hour before, shower and all that, but that's because I work at my other job at 9:30 right now. I don't work at my other job today till 12, so I don't be waking up an hour before. I wake up like 15 minutes before. I'll be tired, man. I'd be tired. These on the West Coast, man, these 6:30 market opens be crazy. Be absolutely crazy, man. It'd be so tired. All right, here you see, yeah, we took sell side. Now we're getting that move higher. This is good. We already just took out all this liquidity here. So this could be maybe the internal manipulation that we are looking for, unless, or unless, obviously the market's gonna run. Because we did, I mean, I'm not gonna lie, we did take this sell side, that short-term high. It looks like we are expanding. So just gonna be patient. Damn, Nas is pushing crazy. So I'm saying, see that 4 hour, got it opened up, but look, it already got closed. But we're in here. I want to see where we at in this range on the fib. Let me change this back. Okay, yeah, we never reached equilibrium. So maybe I am curious to see if we actually rebalance a little bit more and then keep selling. That's probably why. This is insane though. It's literally like what? Non-stop. Just straight pushing. Obviously, when the market's just doing this, there's no setup here. Like, I don't care that the market's pushing up all these points. Like, this doesn't mean anything to me. I can't do anything with this. Obviously, unless there's a setup down here or something before this, when the market just takes off like this, there's nothing to do. Okay, so right now we just rebalance all the way into this 1 hour up here. So let's see. I did have a limit order set at this 50% right here, but I can't swing trade, honestly. I'm not gonna lie. I really can't. Like, whenever I'm going to enter swing trade, whenever I set a limit order, I'm like, okay, I feel good about it at the time, like when I set it. Later, I just cancel it before it even fails. Or like if I'm in, then I just get out if it's a like break even or something. Just because like I don't know, just the way I am, like my personality, like my I don't know, I guess psychology, whatever, like it just the way I'm wired when it comes to trading, I can't swing trade. I can't just sit in the trade for hours. I can't like, 'cause especially I trade in the morning. So if I take a swing trade and then I lose it, especially, I'm gonna be like, all right, I shouldn't have even took that. Like I just let me stick to my setup in the mornings, like I don't know. I just can't. I can't swing trade. It's not for me. So I just deleted that limit order and I will be now what I will do, I'll turn a scalp into a swing. If my model forms, I'll leave a runner on and leave that going for hours, days, whatever. But that's also very rarely too. I very rarely do that. If I leave a runner on, I'm only leaving it on for I don't know, to a certain point, not nothing crazy, not like fucking 400 points or something like that. So after a big push up like this, we can probably expect the market to consolidate a little bit, or it's gonna come back down and keep pushing higher. Right now, like I said, I'm just letting the market play out. We're literally just pumping with no regard for anything. We don't care about anything. We're literally just now it's beginning like this sometimes where we just like push up or down just like this, and it's like we can't do nothing with this. This doesn't, like I said, this doesn't mean anything to me right here. For me to like enter a trade like this, it is what it is. You can maybe like, oh well, why don't you enter these like continuation for value gaps? First of all, there's like 5 of them, so the market could, if you enter on this first one, you're gonna be in crazy drawdown if it comes down here. Second, like I said, trying to guess which one is going to come down to. I guess that's why the fib is good. But when the market is very bullish like this and we're just running, most likely it's not going to come down. It's literally just going to retrace a little bit like it did here and then keep going higher. Like I said, I don't even, I'm not looking for a sell unless the market shows me it wants to sell. I'm not forcing it. Yeah, like on the higher time frame, I definitely think, we're in that bearish for value gap. So I do think we will sell eventually, but I mean, that's why, I don't enter unless the market shows me it wants to. Right now, I mean, there's not even no setup, but it's definitely just showing me we're just gonna buy. Anyone that just said bless you, thank you. And no, I ain't covering my mouth, bitch. I'm in my own house. Hold on, might have to. What do you say? Weeks, only known her for a week. I get brain like a geek. All right, we're in this for value gap. Oh, do I enter here? Or is this chasing price? Because we are all already. No, I'm not entering. Never mind. Perfect reaction off the 62% level. The reason why I'm not entering here is because it's not really my model. This is why. I'm going to explain why I'm not entering here. Even if it respects this, buys all the way up, the reason why I'm not entering here, we just took buy side liquidity. We just traded above buy side liquidity, I'll say, right? So I don't want to buy side. Also, this is not really my model. It didn't take liquidity and then, displacement, market structure shift, all that. This is literally just I guess I would call this a continuation fair value gap, which I have taken these before, but I just, like I said, I mean, that's just focusing on the money. I'm not focusing on the money. I'm focusing on my habits and trading my model. So this is focused. If I took this would be focusing on the money. And I mean, money's cool, but like I said, to improve as a trader, you want to be focused on building your habits, following your rules, taking good setups. And in hindsight, this can be a good setup. But then if it sells all the way back down, I'd be like, okay, well, why did I do that? Because we have this whole fair value gap that we can fill. We have all these down here. We have equilibrium of this range, which is probably somewhere here. Like, it's just, like I said, you can't take every setup. You can't take every push higher. Hey, y'all, I'm trying to put y'all on. You see how the fib, bro, the fib is the most goated tool in trading. From back testing, from experience, the Fibonacci, I mean, y'all saw it yesterday how well it, and now look at this right now, just from this, measuring little price legs like this, like look at this. Perfectly, like to the tick, respected the fair value gap. I mean, not the fair value gap, the fib, to the tick. And now we're probably going to go higher, hit this negative 0.5. If it's a no trade day today, it's a no trade day. It is what it is. We move on. You know what I mean? Because right now, this whole morning, the market's just been buying up. And it's like I said, well, I can't do nothing with this. Bro, why is this fly bothering me? I'm going to get you. I'm going to get you. Watch this. So I feel like, I mean, obviously, I feel like the draw on liquidity now is here. For sure. What is it? 544. So now that I know the draw is there, though, we do want to go higher. It's just the only, like, this is what's also tricky too about entering like big moves like this, that there's so, like, you see how these fair value gaps are huge, where it's like we could literally, like, I never know. That's why like, for me, I'm trying to just only enter trades that's clear and obvious and stick to my model, because on days like this, when we just push up or push down, like chasing price like this, trying to guess a fair value gap to enter is just very, like I said, it's very risky, I feel like, because we look at on this 30-minute, we have this huge, or even 15, huge fair value gap. See how we barely tapped into it and now we're going higher? It's like we could have pushed all the way down to here. I'm not trying to be in all this drawdown, entering all the way up here, and then I'm in all this drawdown, and maybe it'll come back up. But like I said, by the time it's down here, I would be over $100 in drawdown, or 100 points in drawdown. It's like, I'm just not even trying to, like, I'd just rather watch the market, I guess, miss out on all these points. You know what I mean? It's fine. It is what it is. This is one day in trade. We're also not 1 hour for value gap, but this is, I think it's at the 79% level of this range. It is. All right. So we're in deep premium of this range. I'm curious if we start inversing these gaps right here. And obviously, if we do form a little like short-term low or something, and we start getting displacements down, could be a sell model. Could be. Yeah, okay, we just closed this into on the 5-minute. Let's see if we inverse this. Okay, we did inverse this gap. We closed below, but like I said, stay patient. See what happens. I don't know, am I delusional for maybe thinking of a sell right now because we were so bullish? I don't know. Like I said, don't listen to me, y'all. I'm not profitable. I haven't even had a payout yet, so this is y'all seeing me go through this shit, man. All right, we did tap into that 2-minute. I want to see us go a little bit higher though and get to 50% and tap into these 1 minutes. Like, this is where I'm confused too. Like, is this technically a change of the state right here? Because those are decent down close candles. or is this just a retracement? We did have a low form right here too. So we know my model is if we displace through that low, I definitely think then we want to sell. Like I said, we filled that 2 minute. So that's probably why we didn't push a little higher right here, is because we did tap into that 2 minutes. So I really feel like trading on camera is going to make me a better trader, because I can't be acting a fool on here, trading like a dumbass. Very boring price action today. We just had like a straight move up, and now we're kind of just like chilling. This might have just been a retracement right here. Since we just sitting here and the market's not doing shit, I'm gonna play you all my brother's shit. Tryna beef a boy, bitch, boy, you out of line. Probably, but it's typical. The floor, I mean, picking you. This really the Minnesota anthem right now. Hold on. Once upon a time, you looked up to a nigga. Start painting your nails, you never rap about pulling triggers. Now you hope I die back then was begging for features. I'm starting to fucking hate you, it was never nice to meet you. If you a pedophile, what's the line of release? You disappointed both ends, I said it's just sick. You so I wouldn't be surprised if you take that. I respond and don't say I ain't consider you. Hold on, what'd he say? They not like us, they not like us, they not like us. Nasty ass trick, etc. He's a nasty ass trick, etc. Y'all go listen to my brother's shit, man. Y'all go listen to my brother's shit. Nate not like us. Nate not like us. Fuck is you saying, man? That shit hard, bro. That shit's hard as fuck. He said, light skin, pedophile, erotic, but it's typical. Market's not doing shit, y'all. None of this interests me. None of this interests me right here. I'm not going to lie. None of this. None of this interests me. But I should really thank her. Go! 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 Yes, sir. Sir. Yeah. Sir. You can see in my eyes. Yes, sir. If this mic, bro, this might have just ruined my video. What's today? It's Wednesday? Oh, it's payday. Oh, it's payday today. Let's go! My name is Mo. Touch your toes. You got a big ass nose. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Fuck that. I'm off this bitch. No trade days are just as valuable again, because this goes to show that I am disciplined. I was patient. I'm waiting for the market to show me my setup, be clear and obvious, and really, present my model in front of me. Today, it didn't, and that's okay. I didn't lose anything today. I didn't win anything. I didn't lose anything. We're good. We move on to the next. We just let price action form the rest of the day, rest of the night, tonight, and tomorrow we're gonna hop on and go from there to just another day. Every day there's not gonna be a trade. Like I said, tomorrow I'll definitely be trading low size, being very defensive tomorrow's day before NFP, so expect bad price action tomorrow. But all right, yeah, let's just hope for better price action, and I'll see y'all tomorrow.